Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my students? Hope we are all well by the Almighty Allah. Follow the topic capitalization and punctuation mark. Here we will talk about capitalization and punctuation mark. The lessons you will learn here: number 1, capitalization and punctuation mark. Number 2, suitable gaps. Number 3, article applications. We will learn 3 items step by step, inshallah. Part 1, capitalization and punctuation mark. Here now we will start talk about capitalization and punctuation mark applications. Let's go to read out the sentence about capitalization and punctuation mark. Do not worry about a few mistakes, said the teacher. You can learn a lot through your mistakes. Do we learn from our mistakes? Asked the boy. Only 3 or more than 3 sentences we read out. Here we have to apply the correct capitalization or capital letter application and punctuation mark application. Let's go at the first time to learn the answer how these capitalization and punctuation marks have been applied. Follow the answer here. You have to learn by seeing the answer at the first time. Do not worry about a few mistakes, said the teacher. Do not do D capital letter at the first time. We have to use capital letter. Worry about a few mistakes. Mistake, comma, plus inverted comma. Said the teacher. Said the teacher. Here also comma. You can learn a lot through your mistakes. Here it is the direct narration, and to write a direct narration, the direct speech must be included into inverted comma. So here inverted comma is applied. The same true sentence uttered by the teacher. So leaving the teacher part out of the inverted comma, the left sentence is included by inverted comma. Do not worry about a few mistakes, said the teacher. You can learn a lot through your mistakes. Here the teacher stopped his lessons or words, so here inverted comma is applied. Do we learn from our mistakes? Asked the boy. This is also direct narration, and ask the boy. It is the assertive sentence, so full stop. Do we learn from our mistakes? Here do D capital letter. From our mistakes, here it is the interrogative sentence, so interrogative or question mark is given. In this way, we have to follow the punctuation and capitalization. Then we will be able to write a sentence correctly. Follow here again. The question is delivered just to make a good practice to experience about this item. Do not worry about a few mistakes, said the teacher. You can learn a lot through your mistakes. Do we learn from our mistakes? Asked the boy. Here we have to think deeply to make correction about capitalization and punctuation mark. Do not worry about a few mistakes. Here we have to follow both capitalization and punctuation mark. Said the teacher, you can learn a lot through your mistakes. This part is uttered by the teacher, so we have to use inverted comma, leaving the reporting verb of the teacher. Do we learn from our mistakes? Asked the boy. This is interrogative sentence, so we have to use question mark, and at the end of the sentence we have to use full stop because of the rules. However, perhaps you have done well on your exercise note. Let's go to learn the experience again by answer. Follow the answers here again. I have applied the trick to show the answer again so that you can easily learn how to apply capitalization and punctuation mark. Do not worry about a few mistakes, said the teacher. You can learn a lot through your mistakes. Do we learn from our mistake? Asked the boy. Just with two persons, the conversation is delivered, and here both persons have taken part to tell something. Just by practicing, we have to be advanced. Thanks so much. We came to part 2 to discuss about suitable gaps. Here we will talk about suitable gaps. Okay, let's go to read out the whole passage, then we will learn how to fill up the gaps. Do not worry about a few mistakes, said the teacher. You can learn a lot through your mistakes. Do we learn from our mistake? Asked the boy. The conversation is that the teacher is giving advice to the students. If the students makes a lot of wrongs, no problem. By following the wrongs, he or she will be able to learn the correct thing. Okay, follow here. There are 5 gaps. In the gaps, we have to use suitable words. Do not worry about a dash mistakes, said the teacher. You can dash a lot through your dash. Do we learn from dash mistakes? Asked the dash. This is the system to fill up the blanks really with suitable words. When we will find 10 suitable words, we have to draw the meaning of each sentence clearly, then we will be able to give the suitable words. Follow here. At the first time, I give the chance or advantage to see the answer easily to learn well. Do not worry about a few mistakes, said the teacher. You can learn a lot through your mistakes. Do we learn from our mistakes? Asked the boy. The suitable words are colored with yellow color. By this type of words, we can make the sentence meaningful. Just we have to follow the meaningful system by inserting a new word. Follow here again. I give the question. Now we all have to try to fill up the blanks with suitable words. The suitable words may be directly from my answer or maybe out of your experience. Just try your level best. Do not worry about a dash mistakes. So the teacher you can, said the teacher, you can dash a lot through your dash. Do we learn from dash mistakes? Asked the dash. Perhaps you have done well on your exercise book. Let's go to maths or combine the answer. What have you written on your exercise book? Follow here. Again, I display the answer to you. Really to learn well. The yellow colored words are the suitable words in this passage, but we can apply another word. If the word is matched with the meaning of this sentence, it is correct. Okay, thanks. We came to part 3 to learn article application. Here we will talk about article applications. Let's go to read out the same passage. Again and again we get the scope to read out the same passage and expertise ourselves. Do not worry about a few mistakes, said the teacher. You can learn a lot through your mistakes. Do we learn from our mistakes? Asked the boy. We read out the whole passage on article application. Let's go to learn what type of gaps and how we have to fill up. Follow here. There are 5 article gaps. Let's go to read out the gaps. Do not worry about dash few mistakes, said dash teacher. You can learn dash lot through your mistakes. Do we learn from dash our mistakes? Asked dash boy. We read out the gaps. In the gaps we have to use article a and the or cross. According to the meaning and rules and regulation, we have to fill up the blanks with article. Let's go at the first time to observe what type of articles are used. Follow here the answer at the first gap A, second gap the, third gap A, fourth gap cross, fifth gap the. Follow the rules and regulation I am going to tell you in short. If we find any non-particular word singular, we have to use a or an. We must follow. If we see any vowel consonant single word, we have to use an before the word. And if we find consonant added single word, we have to use a. And if we find any particular word or words, we have to use the before the word or words. These are the rules and regulations to follow really to fill up the blanks of article. Okay, follow here again. I draw your attention to fill up the blanks with article a and the or cross. Do not worry about dash few mistakes, dash teacher. You can learn, said teacher. You can learn dash lot through your mistakes. Do we learn from dash our mistakes? Asked dash boy. Perhaps you have understood well, and really step by step we have to be experienced to avoid mistakes, faults, and progress ourselves. Probably you have done well on your exercise book. Let's go to learn again what and how the applications of articles are done. Follow here the students who have answered a, the, a, cross, the. Okay, thank you very much. Hope you have done well on your exercise book, filling the blanks with a and the or cross. Thanks so much. Wish you good luck to the Almighty Allah. You try your level best to learn step by step the experience delivered to you.